So friends, in this lecture we're not gonna learn about just to how to bend a pencil. Okay, so we will just bend our pencil like a rubber, or you can bend any object to make a curls in our object. So I'm gonna show you the three ways that you can do. So first we are gonna just remove our pencil from this white background. As you see, this is the single color background, so we can use here a magic eraser tool. Just one click and it will erase my background, and just press Ctrl Shift Alt N to make a new layer, the paint bucket tool. Or if you don't have a hair, then you can find it to the hair. Okay, in this list you can find it. If you don't have a hair, just click. Okay, and make it to the drop down to the below. Now I have my pencil and a layer, just separate these two layers, and I'm gonna just make it smaller and make it straight. Alright, so this is my pencil, and I'm gonna make it a three layers. Just press Ctrl J two times, hide these two layers and this one. So first method we use for band is the smudge tool. Just hold your mouse key and a little bit like this. Okay, hold your mouse key and make it a wrap like this, and then release. You see our pencil is just like a band, but it's the like the blur edges. Okay, so you can just smooth the edges, just like you can use the noise or the sharpen tool. Okay, sharpen the edges. All right, it will make you to sharp the edges, but it will not reflect much more. Okay, if you want to do one more time, then you see a little bit difference. It will not affect much more. So but it can help us to bend a pencil and using the uh, just like the smooth edges. Okay, just like to the blur our edges. So this is the first method. The second method we will use is to the wrap. Just select the layer and press Ctrl T. You can see our pencil is selected because we have just removed the background, and you can, if you want to just select the wrap, you wrap it, you see it's not just like the clear. So what are we gonna use here? Just to select the object tool. Okay, this is our tool, that is the rectangle tool, and make a rectangle here. Okay, make a rectangle just like here, and fill is to be none, and stroke we'll use the color that we see in our background easily. Okay, and increase its stroke, and make our pencil just like a little bit smaller. Okay, and just merge two layers. Just select two layers and press Ctrl E to merge them. Now you can press the Ctrl T and wrap it, and you can wrap it just like this to bend a pencil. Okay, so and after then, using your magic eraser tool, just erase the background and you see your pencil is bent. So this is the second method that we can use, and the third method we can use is actually it's the best method. We can use the liquify. Okay, so select the layer, filter, liquify, and it will show you this menu, and you can just use this tool with the forward wrap, and just hold down the mouse key and wrap it like this. You see, and just okay, and our pencil is bent like a rubber, and it's not showing my just like the blur or the smooth edges. My pencil is just clear. I can read its name just like the clear the Faber-Castell. Okay, so we can use I will show you the three techniques. Okay, so which one you will prefer according to your work? If you want to show the perfectly edges, so you can use the liquify, and if you want to show the let's say like the blurry edges or the smooth edges, then you can use the this one, the smudge tool, and you can wrap the things, but if you, for that you have a more area if you want to use the custom wrap tool. Okay, so for this type of bending I will prefer to use them a liquify tool.